So in this video, you'll learn how to make the pattern visible on your Samsung Galaxy A56, A36 and A26. So you may have noticed that whenever you're trying to put in your pattern on your phone, whether it's unlocking it or just using it as a verification, you can't see the trail that normally appears behind your finger whenever you move your finger across to make the pattern. So if you want to restore that so that the pattern is actually visible for you to see as you put it in, then all you need to do is just open Settings, and then you want to scroll and select Lock Screen and AOD. From here, tap on Secure Lock Settings and then enter in your current pattern. And then tap on the toggle next to Make Pattern Visible in order for you to turn it on like that. Once it's been turned on, you'll now notice that whenever you go to enter the pattern on your phone, you should see the trail has returned, meaning that you've successfully made the pattern visible on your Galaxy A56, A26 or A36. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.